Hello everyone, Mr. Davis here. I thought it would be really nice for me to introduce you to the maths task for today, which will be on converting from digital time to analog time by drawing the hands on an analog clock. So it's be following on from what you've been doing in class last week and from the skills you've been practicing over Monday and Tuesday. So first of all, I took a big circular object and I drew round it so that I've got my clock face. I put my point in the middle, and then I've marked on 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's not going to be perfect, nothing is, mine's certainly not, but it's all about you practicing that skill of converting from digital to analog time. Now, I've got 10:35, and to help me, I've got two lollipop sticks. So looking at my hours, and this is before that colon in the middle, 10. So I know that my small hours hand is going to be in between 10 and 11. I've also got my longer minutes hand. I'm not interested in seconds here, just hours and minutes. And I'm looking here, I've got 35 past 10. So I'm going to take my minutes hand, and I know that this is half past, it's halfway, and I know that these points are in multiples of 5. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I'm going to make sure that that's pointed there. Now, the hours hand isn't going to point exactly at 10 because it needs to be in between 10 and 11 as far as the minutes hand is. So it's going to be, as you can see with the minutes hand, is just over halfway between 10 and 11. So my hours hand needs to be exactly the same. It needs to be just about halfway. It doesn't have to be perfect. So there we go. I've shown on an analog clock what the time is from the digital time. I've converted from digital time to analog time. Now you're going to be practicing this skill today. I encourage you to have a look at the maths task. You've got 3 of these to look at. There's also, I've provided a link for the Visnos interactive clock for you to have a play on, get some practice until you're starting to feel more confident. I encourage parents as well to have a look at the analog clock with your children. Maybe ask your children throughout the day what the time is. Maybe even give them your watch if you feel comfortable doing so as well. There's some white rose reasoning activities for you to be getting on with as well, although this really is the priority. It's about getting used to converting from the digital to the analog time and back. Okay, thank you.